nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, so if you recognize the eyebrows and the lipstick from my ColourPop video, it's because I'm filming this after, because I finally figured out what look I'm going to do for New Year's Eve. It's not going to be a super glam look, it's not going to be any or lots of glitter. I might do a little bit, but I am going to be doing a halo eye because I really want to try the shade Sweet Dreams from the Dream Street Kathleen Lights palette, as well as the Golden State of Mind. I want to try a color in there, so I'm going to put them together. I'm going to be using this one mostly, and one of the shimmer shades, well, they're all shimmer, but one of the shades from the Golden State of Mind palette, and I figured why not do like a first impression slash New Year's Eve look using these two palettes. So with all that being said, let's get started. So like I said, I'm going to go in with the Dream Street palette first. I'm going to start off with the Sweet Dream shade, which is this one. So yeah. To deepen the corners a little bit, I'm going to go in with Mooney. I'm going to take the Golden State of Mind palette, going in with this shade, Pay the Piper, which it looks white on camera, but it's actually like, there's a blue tint to it. So I'm going to put that in the center. Going to go in now back with the Dream Street palette using Kaleidoscope as my lower lash line shade. And this is the finished look. I actually like this. I don't want to do anything too crazy or too much because, you know, Christmas was a lot for me. I mean, I almost lost my eyes because of that damn glitter. So today is a very pretty look. The color is bold. I'm sorry, this, what is it, Sweet Dreams? This is a very bold, it's not pink, it's like a corally, but a deep coral color. On camera it shows up a little red a little bit, but it's like a deep, if you watch the swatch video, it's like a deep coral, like real deep coral. That's the only way I can describe it, but it's a bold color, and I'm pretty sure when I take the picture it's gonna look very bold. So I did that, and then the halo eye, and I didn't put a wing on. I might add the wing later, I'm not sure yet. And I'm still loving Mystic, so that's staying. Not sure if I'm gonna highlight the Cupid's bow or not. Don't know what I'm doing with my hair or what I'm wearing, but I have my makeup done, so there's that. That's if I even go anywhere, because the way my bed feels, you know, but I've been going. Anyway, but that's it for this video. I really like this look. Let me know any other looks you want to see. If you want to see a specific color that I use in the palettes, let me know. I'm going to plan the rest of my night, and I'll see you next time. Bye.